Next, we'll move to Pat Healey with the Laker.
Hi, thank you. This question's for Dr. Strang. Many couples have weddings on hold for a second year in a row. What's your message to them? When can they hold one of the biggest days of their lives with friends and family?
So I recognize the importance of those celebrations, along with other milestone events, and all of those are going to need to follow the gathering limits that are allowed through our different phases. So we are having much more detail on our website around the details of including gathering limits that'll be up on our coronavirus website, and what is likely to happen at each of the 4 phases, which take us to the end of the summer. So I would encourage anybody planning a wedding or any other kind of event to look at that website, because it'll give you a guideline on the size of the gathering, the number of people that could be allowed at whatever phase we might be at during the summer.
Go ahead with your follow-up, Pat.
Also a question for Dr. Strang. It's June. There are many parents wondering what the plan is for graduations. What does that look like?
So I know that education is working on plans, specific graduation plans, celebrating the academic achievements of students, and those will be done within the allowable, public health guidelines, and that's going to be, knowing that we're going to be in all likelihood phase 2, and what's allowed under phase 2. So public health is working with education on those plans. For anybody, community groups doing celebrations of graduates, I'd come back to my previous answer. Whatever is done will have to be done within the what's allowable and under the in whatever phase we're at, and it's likely going to be in phase 2, where we have very limited ability, very small numbers for indoor and outdoor celebrations. I know that's unfortunate. People are disappointed, but it's large social gatherings are very high risk for transmitting COVID, so we have to reintroduce those very carefully.